Want to know how to download and install the Shortwave application where you can easily send automated emails with no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily download Shortwave on your desktop PC or laptop. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your shortwave.com website. So it's just shown right here, www.shortwave.com, and you should be right here. And now above you should be seeing various options and navigation. Now on the first you should be seeing download by default. Clear the symbols like that. Now right here on the download you can just simply scroll all the way down and you should be seeing desktop. Now just simply click in one of these two according to your platforms. For Windows and Mac, if you are of Linux and other platforms, you can just simply select that as well. So since I'm at Windows, I'm just going to select download for Windows, and as you can see right here, your setup should be installed on the downloads. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.